What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning because I like to start my day early. After waking up, I stretch a little and drink a glass of water. Waking up early gives me enough time to get ready for the day without rushing. I believe starting the morning calmly helps me feel more focused and organized throughout the day.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat something light but filling. Most days, I have toast with eggs and some fruit like bananas or apples. On weekends, I sometimes make pancakes or oatmeal. I also like to drink a cup of coffee or green tea to help me wake up. Having a healthy breakfast gives me energy to stay active all morning.
How do you spend your evenings?
Evenings are my time to relax and unwind after a long day. I usually have dinner with my family, and then we watch a TV show or movie together. Sometimes I read a book or listen to music. If I have some extra time, I also review what I did during the day or plan for tomorrow. Evenings are perfect for slowing down and enjoying some quiet time.
What do you do on your days off?
On my days off, I like to do things that make me feel happy and relaxed. I often go out with friends, visit my favorite coffee shop, or go for a walk in the park. Sometimes I clean my room or organize things at home. If the weather is nice, I enjoy taking short trips or exploring new places nearby. I use my free time to rest and do things I enjoy.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza because it has so many delicious flavors. I love the crispy crust, the melted cheese, and the different toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, and vegetables. I also enjoy trying different types of pizza from other countries. Besides pizza, I really like dishes like fried rice, pasta, and grilled chicken. Good food always makes me feel happy and satisfied.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy listening to different kinds of music depending on my mood. When I want to feel energetic, I listen to pop or dance music. When I'm relaxing or studying, I like soft music or acoustic songs. Sometimes I also listen to English songs to improve my listening skills and learn new words. Music is a big part of my life and helps me express my feelings.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books, especially in English. Reading helps me improve my vocabulary and understand sentence structure. I enjoy stories that are interesting and easy to understand. Sometimes I read short novels, and other times I read self help or motivational books. I think reading is a great way to learn and escape into another world at the same time.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I follow a simple routine. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into comfortable clothes. Then I usually read for a few minutes or listen to calm music to relax my mind. Sometimes I write in a journal about my day. This routine helps me sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning.
What do you usually do after work or school?
After work or school, I come home and take a short rest. Then I eat dinner with my family and spend some time relaxing. If I have homework or tasks to finish, I do them after dinner. I also like to check my messages or watch videos online. In the evening, I try to relax my body and mind so I can feel calm before bedtime.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I really enjoy learning English. It's a useful language that helps me connect with people from different countries. I like watching English movies, listening to English music, and reading simple English books. I also practice speaking with my friends or online. Learning English can be challenging, but I feel proud every time I improve. It makes me feel more confident and opens new opportunities for the future.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to relax and spend time doing things I enjoy. I usually sleep a little longer in the morning and have a nice breakfast. Then I might go shopping, clean my room, or meet friends. Sometimes I watch a movie or go out for a walk. Weekends are my chance to rest from work and recharge for the next week.
What is your favorite season and why?
My favorite season is spring. I love spring because the weather is not too hot or too cold. Flowers start to bloom, and everything looks fresh and colorful. I enjoy taking walks outside and feeling the gentle breeze. It's also a time when I feel more active and happy because the days are longer and brighter.
How do you usually spend your holidays?
When I have holidays, I like to do something different from my normal routine. Sometimes I travel to another city or visit my relatives. If I stay at home, I spend time reading, watching movies, or cooking something special. Holidays give me a chance to relax, explore new things, and enjoy life without stress.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy listening to music, watching videos on YouTube, or reading books. Sometimes I practice English or play games on my phone. I also like drawing and writing in my notebook. Doing these activities helps me relax and enjoy my time, especially after a busy day.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside because it's peaceful and full of nature. I like seeing green fields, trees, and animals. The air is cleaner and it's not as noisy as the city. I can take long walks and enjoy the quiet. However, I also like visiting the city sometimes because there are more shops, restaurants, and things to do.
How do you get to work or school?
I usually go to work by bus because it's convenient and affordable. I leave my house early so I don't miss it. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. Sometimes I listen to music or podcasts while traveling. If the weather is good and the distance is short, I also like walking. It helps me stay active and feel refreshed.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy watching different kinds of movies. I really like comedies because they make me laugh and feel good. I also enjoy adventure and action movies because they're exciting and full of surprises. On quiet days, I watch romantic or family movies. Movies are a fun way to relax and learn new things too.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media almost every day. I use it to stay in touch with my friends and family. I also follow pages that share news, funny videos, or language learning tips. Sometimes I post photos or write updates about my life. Social media helps me feel connected, but I try not to spend too much time on it.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
When I feel stressed, I try to take a break and do something calming. I might listen to soft music, go for a short walk, or talk to a friend. Sometimes I write my feelings in a notebook or drink a cup of tea. These small things help me feel better and more relaxed. I also try to get enough sleep and stay positive.
What are your goals for the future?
In the future, I want to improve my English and become more confident in speaking. I also want to travel to different countries and learn about other cultures. My dream is to have a job I enjoy and live a happy, balanced life. I know I have to work hard, but I believe I can achieve my goals step by step.